Uncle Bill OGorman here with Royal Nissan on Route 281 in Cortland, and today I want to talk about leasing, specifically the all-new Nissan Sentra, the 2020. They have a terrific lease program on these cars right now. You can lease one for 36 months, 36,000 miles for $214 a month. That's right, $214 a month with a total due of $1,499. Now that means at the end of 3 years, you would have only paid $9,212 to drive one of these Nissans. Now, had you decided to purchase the Nissan, well, that would be $341 a month. And over 36 months, it would cost $12,300. So right there, leasing for 3 years and getting a new car costs less, even when you factor in the upfront money. Now, if you decided at the end of 3 years you want to lease another one, you come back and we do it again. But when you buy the car at the end of 3 years, you have to trade it in. We have to see what it's worth. And if you decide to keep it, you're going to finish out that loan and pay almost $23,000 for the car. Meanwhile, you could come back and see me again and lease a second car. And that second car is still going to be less than buying one and keeping it for 66 months. So right now, again, I've got the all new 2020 Nissan Sentras on sale. 36 months, 36,000 miles, $214 a month. I've got plenty of them here. They're only $1,499 due. That could be your trade-in equity. That could be just a small number that you need to start the lease. But to move forward on this, while we still have this program, call me direct. 607-543-1215. That's Uncle Bill OGorman, Royal Nissan on Route 281 in Cortland. You can find me on Facebook. You can go to my website, thanksunclebill.com. But quick and easy, 607-543-1215. 30 years right here in the business, helping you save. Just give me a call. Thank you.